The Camon 11 Pro comes in a classic black box, and the box contains the charger, the earpiece and the cable and some user manual and the warranty card. Checking out the front, we have the 6.2-inch display screen, and the notch above is a bit big, and on the notch we have the camera and the flash and the speaker, and then there is a bezel behind and some tight bezels. By the side we have the two volume buttons and the power buttons. At the back here is the double camera, the quad flashlight and the fingerprint sensor, and then we have the Tecno logo and the Camon under. At the other side is the SIM card slot, and this SIM card slot can accommodate 2 nano SIM card and a micro SD card. At the top there is nothing, and at the bottom is the speaker and the micro USB port and the 3.5mm audio jack, and then we also have the microphone. The Camon 11 took about 25 seconds to boot up, which is not bad for a mid-range smartphone. Speaking of display, the Camon 11 is made up of LCD capacitive touchscreen whose size is 6.2 inches, and it has approximately 81.3% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 720 by 1500 pixels and approximately 268 ppi density. It runs on Android 8.1 operating system, also known as Oreo. Its chipset is MediaTek MT6761 Helio A22. It uses quad-core 2.0 GHz Cortex A53 processor. Speaking of memory, it has a memory card slot that accommodates up to 128 GB, and there are two variants of this phone, one of which is 64 GB and 4 GB of RAM, and the other is 32 GB internal memory and 3 GB of RAM. The main camera has dual 13MP and 2MP depth sensor, and it has a quad LED dual tone flashlight. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time and peace out.